So these shoes are absolutely disgusting. They used to be white and they're not really white anymore. Today I thought we could give them a little makeover. I've been seeing all these videos of people dyeing their shoes with coffee, so I thought I would give it a try. And I think Lillian back here has done it before but wants to do it again. We gotta go get the supply from Target, but let's get into it. Alright, the first thing on the list is 100% acetone. So we're going with this nail polish remover. Coffee. And of course, I gotta get the dirty deed. We got our acetone. We got our coffee. We gotta take our shoes and we gotta take the acetone and we're gonna take a Q-tip and we're gonna rub all the little cracks and crevices, and then we're gonna take it on like a cotton ball or a paper towel or something and rub the acetone just all over the shoe in general. Let's get it started. The shoes are all acetoned up. Now we're gonna fill up the bathtub with hot water, make some coffee, and stain these shoes. The bathtub wasn't hot enough, so we're gonna get these 2 pots full of water, super hot, not boiling, not even bubbling, just really hot. And we're gonna pour it into this bucket right here and do it in that. Alright, so this might get a little messy, so I've decided I'm going to do it outside, even though it's about to start raining. Ooh. So we're definitely going to need some more water, so we're going to throw this off to the side and get another pot boiling. Hopefully this one will stay hot. Never use too much, but you can definitely use too little. Show him. See if you can see him.
You can barely see him.
So we're just gonna use this whole thing.
Whoa. Some brown water.
Mm-hmm. Actually, we might not use all of it.
I was gonna say.
A lot.
It smells good.
We're just gonna brew this coffee. Alright, I'm adding more. We like our coffee real dark. Look at that. Should I drink it?
Oh my god. It's a process.
Careful of all the air bubbles with the hot water. I thought it would fill with water and stay down, but it's not looking like it will.
Let's go. It's only one shoe. Probably need a rock. That's a good one. You found a good one, like, immediately. Yeah. Are you giving up? Oh my god.
This guy holding down. The smallest one. And this guy. This guy. I think that'll make him sink. No. This is where it probably gets messy.
Your hand looks like it's having fun. The claw.
I just need like a rock to hold this one down on top. I just pulled this out of the ground.
Wow.
perfect.
Oh my god.
We just set a timer for 2 hours. We let these soak, and then we'll see what they look like. Comment right now if you think I can slide this from here to here without spilling. Right now, go comment. I'm getting greedy. I hope I spill this.
Oh. Oh no. Poop on your hands.
I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'll see you guys when these are done soaking. We're about halfway done with the 2 hours, and right now this bucket is just looking like a big thing of poop soup. I feel like my shoes are gonna smell like coffee forever now. Alright, now we're just gonna give these guys a quick rinse off. Get all that coffee crap off them, get all the brains off. Unfortunately, I hate doing this, but these shoes are gonna take 24 hours to dry. So that means I'm not going to be able to put the final results in this video because I want to upload it tonight for 3 Minute Thursday. If you want to see the final results, go on over to my Instagram and I'll post them up tomorrow. But that's all I have for this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or any video requests, please drop a comment. And as always, the best way you can support me is by smashing that subscribe button. So if you do that, that'd be greatly appreciated. But I'll catch y'all in the next video.